Microsoft has recently added the capability to include Anthropic inside the use of Copilot. So what I want to do is just show you how to enable that, what it looks like, and a bit of a warning as well. Now, to add the capability for Anthropic models, what you need to be is an administrator. You'll need to go to the Admin Center to turn it on. So I've already opened the Admin Center here. Now, when you're inside the Admin Center, we want to go to Copilot. We want to go to Settings. All right, and then on the right-hand side here, what we want to select is we want to select Data Access. Now, when we select Data Access, you'll see there's an option here called AI Providers for Other Large Language Models. We select that. We're going to fly out from the right, and you'll see here we can allow or disallow the use of Anthropic in this case, and we're also likely to probably see additional models down the track that you can enable once you have done that. With that enabled, it will take a short while for the Anthropic capabilities to appear with Copilot. Currently, the ones that are available are if we go into Researcher. Now remember, with Researcher, you'll also need a fully paid license to access this agent. With Researcher, you'll see in the top right-hand corner, once the Anthropic option has been enabled, we have the thing here to try Claude. We turn Claude on and we get the message in the center here, and then we can use Claude with our Researcher. The other place that it will appear is in Copilot Studio. So if we go into our Copilot Studio agent, we go into Settings, we go to Generative AI, you'll see here that we can select from a range of models. Those models include Claude Sonnet 4 and Claude Opus 4.1, so we can enable that for our particular agent. Now, I suppose the warning or the thing to be aware of with Anthropic is around this documentation here. Very, very important people read it. From what I read here and what it says, it's kind of saying that if you do use Anthropic, it's going to send data outside the Microsoft 365 environment, and then it's not going to be subject to the compliance and the security with that data. So again, if you are planning to use Anthropic, make sure you do read the information about how the model works, and the changes in security and compliance are in this article here. And again, you can find that article by searching for Connect to Anthropic's AI Models. So once again, what we did is to enable the ability to use Claude in something like Researcher and Copilot Studio. We went to the Admin Center, we went into Copilot, Settings, Data Access, AI Providers for Other Large Language Models. We've selected the option for Anthropic, and we set that to allowed, and now we can start using that in our environments. Hopefully that's given you a bit of insight and a quick start into using Anthropic with Copilot.